Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain about general settings. Log into your AppFolio. You will, on the top right corner, you will have your name and there's a small arrow. Click on that and click on the general settings. You get to this page. And in this, you will have users. If you don't have users, then that is because you don't have the permission to create users. So if you want to manage existing users, you will click here. That is, you want to reduce the permission, increase the permission, then you do it in the manage users. If you want to create one, you will create on this new user and you will create an email ID. An invitation will be sent and you would give their name. For example, you want to give them themselves, and if you have a photo of them, you can do that. And what is the role? So these are the roles. For example, if somebody wants to be a assistant property manager, leasing agent, you can select any one of those things. For example, I'm going to give it as an assistant property manager. Okay, and you click on save. This is going to send an invitation. Now you see that you got an invitation here. AppFolio support, you have 72 hours to activate it. So this is the person you created to the email ID, and you will click on the create account. Since I've already logged in, I'm going to open an incognito window. In that incognito window, you will give a brand new password, activate it. Then you will also need a multi-factor authentication. So you can give a phone number and it will send a verification code by SMS. And don't ask for the next 30 days. Here you go. I logged in. Create general settings. Go to the manage users and select the user that you have created. These are the notifications, what all they can do it. Yep. Thank you. If you have any questions, reach out to us.